In today's video, I'm gonna show you specifically how you can create an idea list within your Amazon storefront. Let's just go to my computer, and what I will do is to show you how my Amazon storefront looks like. And what we are going to do is go to create content here, and then we are going to click on the idea list option right here. Okay, once that you add that, you can title your idea list. Like here is an example, my essentials for hiking in the desert, and you can also add what is this idea list right now, and also you can add at least 2 products so you can actually create your idea list. Okay, so in this case I have added the title, and I'm gonna be adding some products right here. You will be adding the products by clicking on the add products, and once that you add at least 2 products, you can actually submit your idea list for approval. Okay, so Amazon has to approve this list before it can go public. Okay, so right here we are just adding randomly some of the products that I had. You can add by having them in other idea list, or by looking at your orders, and also by browsing history. Okay, so here you can scroll down until you're satisfied of all the products that you want to add here. Once that you are done selecting all the products that you want to add to this idea list, you can click on the done option at the top right, and you can click on submit list. Okay, as you can see, I have added 4 products, and you can manage these products. What this means is that you can actually remove some of the products that you have added already. Okay, so now you can either save draft or submit your list for approval. When you go and click on save draft, then your list won't be sent for approval and won't be public. You can still add some other products, and you can leave it as a draft. But if you submit it, it says when it's approved, it will be published on Amazon. And you can also click on copy link, and you can select the tracking IDs that you may have in case that you have more than one, right? Now, once that you do that, you click on copy link if you want to share this idea list link, and then you will click on done. Okay, now once that you have it, you will be having this link that you can share in your social networks or in your blog, in your social networks. Just make sure that your social networks are set to public and that have been added to your Amazon Associates profile. Okay, so now here you can see that once that we copy and paste this link on an incognito window, you can see this idea list specifically, and you can see that it is my page and that I earn commissions out of this list whenever anybody chooses to buy from this list. And there are 4 items. You can see the prices of the items updated to the date, and also you can see the name or the title of this idea list. And right now you can see that it's public, and it will also appear under your Amazon storefront. You can choose to tag this, or you can just choose to leave it whenever it goes. Okay, and that's it. That's how you will be creating an idea list on your Amazon storefront. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.